Hello friends, here in this video we will see what is meant by notch sensitivity. Now notch sensitivity, here I will write the definition. It is defined as the reduction in properties of a material due to stress concentration. So this is the definition of notch sensitivity, that it is defined as the reduction in properties of a material due to stress concentration. That is, if stress is concentrated at a point, then there is decrease in some property. Now I can explain it further in this way, that stress will be concentrated at a point in the material where holes are present. So stress is concentrated in a material where holes are present. Next, the material will be strongest if the stress concentration is not at a point but is distributed uniformly. So as I have written, that the material will remain strong if the stress concentration is uniform through the material. Like for example, this pen, stress concentration will be uniform if the internal holes present in this pen is uniform, then the stress concentration will be same. But if there are holes present only on one location and at the other location there are no internal holes, then stress will be concentrated in this part where there are more number of holes inside. So that is called as stress concentration. Now notch sensitivity, in that, suppose if we want to break an object, then the simplest way to break it will be to produce a notch or a groove inside that, and then we will be fixing this object, and after that a force or a stress will be applied in this direction, that is at the notch here. So because of the notch which is formed in the metal or the material, the amount of force required would be less and we can easily break the material. So I can say that because of notch or hole or cavity, stress is concentrated at a point, that is, because of the notch or a hole, here stress will be concentrated at this point, and because of the notch, the amount of force or stress required to break the material will be less, and this is called as notch sensitivity. So notch sensitivity is related to stress concentration, that is, wherever stress is concentrated, then the amount of force required to break the metal or a material there will be less, because stress is concentrated at a point, and on that point if that force is applied, the material will break at a less value of force or stress. So that was notch sensitivity.